Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today, we are going to be talking about a big wave of crypto.com FUD, and the CEO, Chris Marszalek, had to come out on Twitter and defend his company again. This is not the first time we've seen some fake news put out about a crypto exchange, but crypto.com in particular. And this comes at a very interesting time, guys, as Binance is getting FUDed like crazy. With lawsuits against the CFTC and rumors that Binance may have to exit the US. Now, folks are coming out and FUDding Crypto.com, saying that they may be in regulatory trouble as well, saying, hey, maybe Coinbase wasn't the only one that got a Wells notice from regulatory bodies in the US. And also, maybe Binance isn't the only one getting attacked. Now, we're going to get into the story, guys, and we're going to talk about why I believe this stuff is not true. In fact, why I think Crypto.com is poised in one of the best ways possible for regulation in the U.S. to kind of comply with everything the U.S. regulators need for crypto companies to exist. And it's very, very interesting to kind of get into this, guys. So let's talk about it, what happens for the price of Crypto.com on some of this news, and what the CEO is saying about it. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day. For you, and at 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So don't miss out on it, guys. Look, market's doing really well today, actually. You can thank Elon Musk. Did a video earlier on Elon Musk and Dogecoin, putting Dogecoin as the Twitter emblem. Very, very interesting, making Doge spike today. But Bitcoin had a rally as well, up to $28,000 at the time of this recording. $1,800 and $1,824 for ETH. Very, very good. Up 7% over the last 7 days. Could this be the altcoin rally we're looking for, guys? Let me know if you think so in the comments down below. But CRO Coin right now, despite the FUD, holding decently strong at about 7 cents right now at a $1.7 billion market cap. Well, the story goes, guys, people are asking, is Crypto.com next after the Bittrex US? They're talking about Bittrex US exiting. Bittrex left America because of some of the regulatory things that are happening here in the country. Apparently, one of the XRP lawyers was dropping a hint, saying, hey, if you really think that Coinbase was the only exchange to receive a warning Wells notice from the watchdogs, well, then think again, is essentially what it said. And then to kind of double down on that, Whale Chart, one of the most famous FUD-like Twitter accounts in all of crypto, went breaking. Crypto exchange hashtag Crypto.com is under investigation by U.S. government agencies and may collapse or stop operating in the U.S. This is, no sources. There's no sources here. This is ridiculous. Maxi did a video on this earlier today as well. But I want to cover this for you guys and take another approach at it because, first of all, he comes out, he says, hey, this is absolutely false. Please report this account for spreading misinformation. This is not the first time that he spread misinformation. Now, while it may be true that the U.S. government is looking into Crypto.com, it might be, right? But I would argue that the U.S. government's looking into every single crypto exchange right now. But how is Crypto.com poised to set themselves up for success here, regulation-wise here in the U.S.? Well, back in the day, back this December 1st of 2021, Crypto.com acquired a US CFTC regulated exchange, a couple actually, because they're trying to buy up regulated entities to expand its presence in the US the right way. So, of all the exchanges out there, Crypto.com has done the best job from a regulatory standpoint of getting ahead of some of these issues. Very, very interesting to see. And then they were able to launch the CFTC regulated product, which is this up-down, basically options contracts for Bitcoin and Ethereum on the Crypto.com app. And so this just happened. There is no reported news. There is no proof that Crypto.com is actually getting investigated by U.S. agencies or that they're going to get kicked out or exit the U.S. And Chris Marszalek came to Twitter today and said, we have no plans of doing this. This is a lie. Report this fake news. Report this account. This is just more of the same, guys, more of what we see constantly. And this comes at a time where there's a lot of things to be excited about for Crypto.com. Just today, the Loaded Lions main city Twitter page came out with an update. They plan on doing more here, and they actually showed a little bit of a snapshot into what's going on in the main city land. They're trying to show some of the cool little things they got going on in this main city. There's a gym, there's a Prize record store. So looking a little bit into this, they told a little bit more about the story that's going to happen here for the Loaded Lions, which is just more utility for CRO Coin in the marketplace where you can buy and sell blueprints in this game. I think there's a lot of utility coming down the road for CRO Coin, and eventually there will be an altcoin rally. I don't know if that's happening just yet, but I think there's an argument to be made that altcoins are due for a rally. Bitcoin's been performing very, very well. And honestly, this FUD really, just in my mind, fuels the fire for potentially more upside. As people look into these stories and see that they're fake, they say, wow, this is actually a really solid company. Look at all the things that they're launching, right? Their own metaverse. Look at all the things. They launched their own up-down options, CFTC regulatory framework approved. These are all these things that we're looking at here when we're trying to assess, hey, is crypto.com still doing all right? And the answer, guys, is yes. It looks like they're doing really well. You know, the goal, guys, of course, I always talk about this. I just love to show it, you know. Their goal is to bring the next billion users to crypto, and they're doing that through all these partnerships. All these partnerships based in the US, UFC, you've got the crypto.com arena, you got the 76ers, you have so many things, the LA Kings. There are so many things here in the US that are tied to crypto.com. Even CNBC has crypto.com ad banners. I do not see an issue coming for crypto.com in the US. Matter of fact, the US may be one of the most spectacular advantages that crypto.com has when it comes to having the best access to this customer base due to the regulatory successes that they have. If you look at just the front page on their website, remember, they're the leader in regulatory compliance. So squash the FUD, guys. Good thing the CEO is coming out and doing that. A lot of great things coming for the Loaded Lion Main City Metaverse. Look, in the meantime, we might be getting a green candle here on the weekly time frame for CRO versus Bitcoin. There's still potential downside, guys, but I would love to see finally a little bit of upward move. We'll have to see how this weekly candle, it's just getting started, so we got a whole week here, but we'll have to see if this can turn green. Might be good for us. Might get some upward action for CRO, which would be great when really you look at CRO too. It's actually a lot further down versus Bitcoin than some of the other altcoins, which may present actually more of an opportunity for it to bounce sooner versus some of the alts, potentially. We'll have to see, guys. We'll have to see. In the meantime, Bitcoin's trading at about $28,000, trying to break to 30K. Let me know in the comments down below if you think we're going to get there, guys. That's all I got. A quick update for you in this one. Note, we're giving away a loaded line at 25,000 subscribers on the channel. Follow us at _crypto_report on Twitter for the details to this giveaway. And if you're a member on our channel, you get an additional 10 entries for every single month you're a member. When you're a member, you get access to our private Discord as well, where you can talk directly with me and Black C about what we're doing in terms of NFTs, trades, and Black C's killing it in the NFT game right now. We're looking to make some good altcoin trades as things get going on, so make sure you don't miss out. Just join right here. In the link in the description down below, we have a link for you as well. Guys, that is all I got in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Do not forget, folks, to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.